I made over $3,000 today. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, back at it again with another fire ass video, and I am super excited to announce that I have broken one of my personal records and had my first $3,000 day online. I'm gonna go ahead and actually step behind the laptop here and show you guys proof. Some of you guys who have been following me for a while, first and foremost, if this is your first time coming across me, you're probably like, who's this light-skinned, who's handsome at the same time? But who's this freaking guy screaming at the camera with the big old man glasses with the hat backwards? Who does he think he is? Well, I don't think I'm nobody. I know I'm Eric Ellis Jr., the wolf of marketing. Now, if you guys want to learn how to actually make money online, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell. But let's dig right into it. Boomer behind the laptop. Now, super excited, guys. The reason why I'm excited is because I've been doing this online thing for a long time, right? I've made a lot of money, but $3,000, guys, in a single day. Like, I've made $2,000 days. I've made $2,500 days. I've made, that's pretty good money, guys. It used to take me over 2 months to earn $3,000. So imagine turning your monthly income into your daily income, right? How powerful would that be? Now, let's take a look, right? First and foremost, I'm gonna go to my email, right? And I'm gonna go and open these emails because I decided not to open the emails right away, right? But I'm gonna open these emails and I'm gonna go and actually show you guys proof that I actually earned this money, right? So number one is Easy1Up.com, Vertex. So it says you have received a power line payment of $2,000. And then second email, right? I'm opening these lives, and by the way, 12 a.m., 12:42 a.m. It says you have received a power line payment of $1,000. So that's $3,000. But net, how much did I make? We're gonna go ahead and actually see in a second, right? So I'm gonna go to my other Gmail account. All right, so I'm in. Now, basically, if I take a look here, it says Wolves Academy. It says you have received $2,000 USD, and it says for Vertex payment. And it says May 21st, 2019. Now, if I also go to Stripe, so that's $2,000. If I go to Stripe dashboard, so today I've made $997. So it's actually a $1,000 payment. Now, after the actual fees and all that extra stuff, it's about $2,900 and some change as far as how much I made, but it's a $3,000 day, guys. I have extra income streams that I have going on. Now, you guys are probably wondering, okay, how did you do this, Eric? Well, listen, I leveraged something called Easy1Up, which is basically a program, right? If you go to products here, there's Elevation, Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, Vertex Live, where they pay out 100% commission. So just to update you guys, I haven't even been promoting this for over 2 months. There's been like a month and a half, and I've earned $16,575 with them in less than 2 months' time. But Vertex Pro is a $1,000 product, and Vertex Live is a $2,000 product. I was able to generate a Vertex Pro and a Vertex Live sale yesterday, which is a total of $3,000. Now, the cool thing is that they do pay 100% commission payout. So, literally, those sales that were generated go 100% in my pocket. So with that being said, I earned a $3,000 day. Now, how did I actually do this? Guys, what I use is pages like this, right? Free video reveals, my $300 per day system. Yes, they're my copy. And I drive traffic with the different methods like YouTube, solo ads, basically paid and free traffic methods. I get them here. I collect the emails. Once they put in their email, they get access to this sales video that basically introduces them into Easy1Up, and a percentage of these people actually decide to convert into sales. But the people who don't convert into sales, the whole importance of getting in the first step, there's a 2-step process. First step, landing page. Second step, sales video, is I capture these emails so that way I can follow up with these people who don't buy. So With that being said, this is what it looks like. Traffic. Send them to the landing page. A percentage of those people who put their email in and get access to the sales video, they turn into customers. I don't know what the heck just happened there. They turn into customers. But at the end of the day, when people don't buy, right, I start doing email marketing, right? So I send a little emails here and there, basically explaining to them how this product can solve their problem. The specific problem that they're trying to solve is people who want to make money online. Why do they want to make money online? There's different ways, and I'm going to mention those different ways within my marketing. Some people just want time freedom. I'm going to mention that in my marketing. Some people want an extra income. I'm going to mention that in my marketing. Some people just want to be able to travel. I'm going to mention that in my marketing. Some people want to spend more time with their family. I'm going to mention that in my marketing. And I'm going to just show them how this product can help them get that specific result, whatever problem they're trying to solve. Right? I'm going to remarket to them, and then eventually a percentage of those people will basically, once I redirect them back to this sales page, so I'm just going to be redirecting them back to this initial page. They're going to go through, and when they go through, they're going to go to buy, right? So chances are, if they didn't buy the first go around, they're going to go ahead, when you follow up with them, they'll actually buy. So what happened was, fortunately in the follow up, I've been driving traffic, I followed up, and when I checked my freaking emails, I saw that I had $3,000 waiting on my freaking email, and then I saw the payment methods, and I was like, holy fuck, I just made $3,000 today. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys want to learn how to actually do this, guys, I can teach you guys. If you guys are a part of my team, I'll actually give you these landing pages. I'll give you the emails that you need to actually follow up with the people. I'll give you the sales material so you guys can actually use my sales page that I use to convert sales. I'll give you guys a majority of like everything you guys need to get results, to duplicate results. I'm going to go ahead and give it to you. Now, one thing you guys do have to understand is that in order to earn commissions, you have to be invested into it. So in order to earn a Vertex Pro commission, which is a $1,000 commission, you have to buy the product. In order to earn a $2,000 commission, you have to buy the product. So depending on where you are financially, invest as high as possible so that way you can earn these big commissions and you're relicensed to sell it at 100% commission payouts. And when we start driving traffic to this little page and then we start following up with emails for the people who don't buy here the first go around, they'll start converting into sales and you'll start earning these huge freaking commissions. So if you guys want to join my team, you want me to do all the heavy lifting for you, be my guest. Click down below whether you're getting access to this video because I'm referring you personally or one of my team members is referring you. Regardless, we got your back. Our team, everybody eats. My team can refer you and the bonuses will still apply. If you sign up with one of my team members and you buy at a higher level, you're still going to get the bonuses. If you sign up with me, you're still going to get the bonuses, right? Everybody eats. So take action. Click the button down below. Click the link down below. Just wanted to share that with you guys. I did it with Easy1Up, so shout out to Easy1Up. Helping your boy break records. $3,000 in a day. Your boy. You already know, guys. Listen, you guys can either keep on watching or you guys can be a part of this movement that we're about to do and make some real serious money. I'm just excited today. I'm high off of life. So with that being said, I'm going to enjoy my day. Your boy, Eric Ellis, checking out.